little girl, just scrolling on Instagram, letting your life go away, looking at other people and wishing you were them. It says you have -5 likes, and I don't even know how that's possible. Oh, maybe it's because you don't have any friends.
Hey there, do you want to do English or Spanish? Wait, do you want to know how to make Dubai chocolate at home? Like, it's super easy. Did you know that there's a new dance trending? You should definitely post that. Oh my god, look at this, her cat died. Actually, never mind, let me show you something funny instead.
Hey, look at all these filters that we have. Look at this, there's a cat one and a dog one. If you keep sending all these photos every single day, you keep your streaks, this is how you get popular. You're so ugly, you suck, you have no friends.
You and I, we come from different places, so there's no familiar faces. Where I'm from, there's no